In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up your battle rope. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to simply set up your battle ropes at home. If you have bought a rope and don't know how to do it, this is the video to go. Setting up battle rope, it's fairly simple. All you need to do is find yourself a good anchor point, which it's going to make sure when you work out, the rope stays stable. There are a couple ways of anchoring down your battle rope. There are free ways of doing it, and there are some ways that you might have to put in some investments. If you're at home, what I did was I have a beam where I can wrap my rope around it and use it as an anchor. You can also wrap it around in trees, or if you're working out in the gym, you can also wrap the battle rope around a squat rack. If you have a lot of weights at home, like kettlebells, you can simply use kettlebells as your anchor. Make sure you have enough weights that you can support the rope when you actually working out. Now, with this free ways of doing it, there are some disadvantages. You gotta be careful on what are you wrapping your rope around. So with squat rack, sometimes there are sharp edges on the rack, or there are also some nuts and bolts, which when the ropes are alternating and rubbing against it, eventually it will fraying the ropes. Now, if you have spent the money to it, battle rope is not cheap, and you don't really want to destroy your ropes by doing it. Now, since we're talking about the rough edges might destroy the ropes, what are the solutions? I strongly suggest getting yourself a battle rope straps. Now, the battle rope straps, what it does is it will wrap around the anchor rather than the rope around the anchor, and it will protect it from rubbing against the rough edges and eventually destroying the ropes. So it's important to get yourself a strap that will prolong the life of your battle rope. I'm gonna link in the description down below for my choice of strap. If you don't have any posts at home, or you don't have any squat racks where you can anchor your battle ropes with, here's another great suggestion, which is the battle rope wall mount. You can just connect that wall mount to any walls of your liking and making sure it's stable, making sure it's on the stud, and you can set up your battle rope. But again, I still strongly suggest to make sure you have a strap. I will also link the wall mount in the description down below from Amazon. You can also make your own battle rope strap. If you don't know how to do it, I have made a video about it. You can check in the card up there or check out in the description down below.